How you doing? My name is Shanice, and I'm here to explain how AC works. So our hot air comes in our evaporator at high temperature, low pressure vapor, which then runs into our compressor, which then turns our vapor to high temperature, high pressure vapor. From our compressor, it goes into our condenser at high pressure, high temperature vapor, which then runs down our coils and then exit out as high pressure subcooled liquid. From there, we go through our expansion valves, which then turns our liquid temperature to low pressure, low temperature liquid. Now our room is cool and we start the process all over again.